Hello guys, welcome to another video where you will get to see gun strategy again. We understood the gun strategy in the previous video and had also placed trade, but there we lost. The market did not go according to the gun strategy. Today we will trade again on the same strategy. Let's see how the market reacts. I have deposited $3,000 in this account, which we will grow with gun strategy. I am increasing the lot size here as much as I want, which I have already calculated. I always follow my rules so that I keep improving myself. Let's meet after placing trade. My loss is around $50. Our entry has been done at the right time, but the market should not go against us, from which we will get to see the loss like last time. No problem guys, loss is part of our game. If you see the market trend, then it is downtrend. We have also placed trades on the downside, or we have more chances to profit. Let me explain to you how we got selling opportunity here. We'll prepare the complete structure for this, where you will understand. For this, first take trend line. Put it on the lower high side. This trend line is the most important. We'll do all further analysis on this trend line. So this trend line has to be placed in the right place, and all lower high points should meet this trend line. Now take another trend line and connect it with same angle at lower low, due to which our trend channel will appear perfect and analysis will also be correct. Here the market has broken our trend channel and is going down, so we got a good selling opportunity signal. Our entry has also been done at the right time. Let us till here our analysis is correct. Now let's see how the market might react so that we are prepared. You can also do this analysis very easily. Here we will again create trend channel in uptrend, for which we'll again take trend line. We'll put him on this higher low. We'll take one more trend line than that too with the same angle on higher high, by which our trend channel will be complete. The trend line above will act as resistance and the trend line below will act as support. If we look at the market according to the analysis, then the market will go down from here, because the strong trend of the market is downtrend, where we can make good profit. Here the market is going down very fast, which is a good thing. Now let's draw the supply demand area, which will help us to place our stop loss. For which we will take the rectangle tool and place it on this place. What was earlier support is now acting like resistance. Here you see red candle after candle opposite it, because the market went up to retest after the support breakout, and now going down. Support become resistance strategy is also working here. Here my stop loss will be above 60 pips, which is outside the trend channel. If the market gives a breakout on this upper trend line, then our stop loss will be hit. And my target point will be on the new lower low, which is down 104 pips. Let's put a stop loss and target point. Guys, my profit become $1,053 as soon as I took the trade, which is a big deal. Let's see how long we can hold it. Let's have our stop loss and target well placed, where the market is hurting very fast, moving towards the target point. According to this strategy, the target should be hit. You must note that this strategy is called gun strategy, where its structure looks like a gun. No strategy is 100% where you will always profit. You will also lose from that strategy, the strategy you are following. 100% nothing happens in the market. If you follow risk management and psychology the right way, so you can profit from the market, always make your own rules and recognize your weakness and strength. Okay guys, see you after a few hours. Very nice profit, finally hit my target. It took 5 days and 15 hours to achieve this target, which is a very long period for a trader. It takes a lot of patience by which it achieves the target. We took this position when the market broke the lower trend line, which gives us selling opportunity. Then the market consolidated here and created a consolidation zone, where the market moved the same way. The market reversed at the same place in future from where we had draw supply demand area, which we had already made that area, and our stop loss was on top of that too. Now we will take another rectangle tool, by which we will know the exact consolidation zone. The market moved again and again at this place, due to which we got to see the sideways market pattern. Market took support here. Took support here again. All these points are very important to analyze, where you will get to see the price action of exact market. Here you can clearly see on this candle how the market broke the consolidation zone, and then started going down while retesting where our target was hit. Our gun strategy worked just as well as we expected. The market reacted the way we analyzed, that's why we got such a big reward. Took a trade on the same strategy in the previous video which we had loss, but with the same strategy we have also made profit today. No strategy is 100%, it has to be 100% with risk management and psychology. Let's close the trade, it's been a long time. Guys, our profit is running $5,572, which is target achieved. Let's close it now. Too much greed in the market is a bad thing.
Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing.
I had $3,000 in this account, which was done $8,852. We grow this account with 180% return with proper psychology that required a lot of patience. If you have a lot of patience, then you can make profit from the market. If you trade with the right analysis, then 70 to 80% chance will be in profit. Here my target was this place which got hit. And my stop loss was 60 pips above where the market didn't go because there was a strong supply-demand area. The market went down very nicely, as was the analysis. Here we are seeing another trend channel. Let me explain to you. We'll take trend line for this and place it at this place because the market has made lower high here. We'll take another trend line which also connect to lower low point with same angle. Market is going up again and again by making support of this trend line. Market will go down from here. If the market doesn't go down from here, it will go up where there is a small supply-demand area. Let me explain by drawing with rectangle tool here. The supply-demand zone of the market is strong. Because the market took support here where we saw the reversal candle, and took the resistance here, now the market is going down. In future the market will ever come near this zone, then we will get to see the reversal. You can also use this strategy if you want to learn my more Forex strategy, so you can check my channel playlist where you will find more strategies. Okay guys, always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.